Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and it's Monday, March 7th, and I want to look at glowworm here. Corning. Look, this is a really good pattern here. We've got a low, low, low. Just like how low can you go? So we've got a prolonged base that goes back into the summertime, right? So then you can see how this is squeezing. I mean, there's so many things that are right about this pattern. First of all, resistance here, 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 and there. A 200-day moving average that was part of that resistance and now has been broken through, started last week. This is really flat, and I like that. I like to see this 50-day moving average close to crossing above the 200, but it's going to take another several days. I like that because what this is doing is it's reflecting a long base as opposed to a stock that's just screamed up. I mean, it would have been nice, you know, if you catch this stock down here, but we're not there. We're here. If the stock had been really moving up higher, we'd already have a cross of the 50 above the 200, but by the time you get that cross, the stock's already gone too far. So here, we don't have that situation. We've got a stock that's finally broken through 19 bucks on volume today that's just now above the 200-day moving average. Now, if we stretch out, you know, you can see that this has taken a real haircut. It used to be a lot higher. So now that this resistance is broken through, I'd look to this to be, I'll give it a price target. Let's say 50 to 21 bucks. Doesn't seem like a lot, but if this goes up 21 bucks, that's 7%. Not too bad on what I view as a safe trade with a dividend of $2, or excuse me, of 2.85, 2.85%. If you zoom out more though, you can certainly envision this stock just continuing to move. Now, earnings are not due to be reported until late April, as in so many tech stocks. So I think there's time for this to have a nice earnings run. And by the way, you can check the news on it. There's some real favorable news articles on this as well. So I think this will be a good trade for you. As always, use stops.